Yeah, well, end of day one, I did get the tree out of the hole and into the planter box, tree box, and it's now probably weighs about 200 and 300 pounds, and the guys couldn't move it, so they're gonna have to use the backhoe hopefully tomorrow to get it relocated. They did spend the entire day using two weed whackers to basically make piles like that. Which was kind of interesting because the guys did not seem like they were qualified to be using those tools or were not familiar with them. So you just kind of have to bite your lip and rely on the general contractor and his number ones to kind of coordinate those things. They did demo a little bit of the block wall. They're going to continue that all the way, that demolition, all the way to the second bougainvillea right there. The other part of it that I am a little disappointed with is that they were supposed to put, that's our neighbor's shed, and we had the wall, the wooden fence, excuse me, that was there. They took that down, but they did not have the temporary fence to be able to block it. So if they had a dog or kids or something, this would be a really big issue. Fortunately, it is not an issue because it's going to be up here tomorrow, and the neighbors are really nice about it. So crisis avoided there, but we'll see if we can get a little better coordinated on day two.